The American Public Power Association congratulates the DEED members who completed projects in 2021, thanks to grants from the DEED program. The Westerville Electric Division in Ohio conducted a more than 3-year research and piloting study regarding drone utilization in the electric industry. Staff researched, tested, and deployed 2 drones. Through the grant period, 3 pilots became FAA licensed to operate the technology. American Municipal Power and VEIC developed tools to help utilities encourage beneficial load growth through installation of heat pump water heaters with smart, grid interactive controls. Grid interactive heat pump water heaters were demonstrated to have the potential to decrease costs for customers while addressing peak demand on the grid. SMUD in Sacramento, California, demonstrated coordination of electric vehicle charging through an automated local energy market platform. The system delivered fuel to meet customers' needs when local renewable energy was abundant and grid costs were low. Blockchain tokens were used to track and reward customers for low-carbon and grid-friendly charging. The City of Monroe, North Carolina, partnered with Milwaukee Tools to produce a case study on 2 of the company's wireless remote technology solutions that could decrease the risk and liability associated with maintaining the grid. The team found that remote cutters mitigated the potential for worker injury while performing cable cuts on previously energized conductors. Fort Collins Utilities, Colorado, implemented rate structures for both residential and large commercial customers that incorporate pricing signals when demand for power is high. The project used the automation software to allow customers to implement their own solutions to utility pricing signals based on their specific criteria. Burlington Electric Department in Vermont and the Burlington 2030 District, a public-private partnership dedicated to reducing greenhouse gases in the commercial sector, developed a template and a series of property energy plans for commercial property members. These property energy plans outline building energy usage over time and help owners and property managers make informed decisions about energy investments, including how to reduce energy load and start on the path towards net zero energy. Lincoln Electric System in Nebraska set out to better understand when, where, and for how long customers charge their plug-in hybrid and battery electric vehicles. LES subsequently provided insights into customers' responsiveness to demand response communications. Research findings will help LES staff prepare their system and customers for an EV future. Algona Municipal Utilities in Iowa worked with Iowa State University to enhance the utility's data analysis tool previously developed under a DEED grant by adding better customer clustering tools to understand customer behavior within as well as external to their defined rate classes. A software tool and a user manual were developed with application examples. The tool plots load duration curves for a variety of customer categories, calculates load factors for each class for the selected time period, provides customers clustering, and exports analysis with tables and graphs. The Northern California Power Agency used a DEED grant to assess their potential construction of a renewable hydrogen production facility at a site near their Lodi Energy Center natural gas generation facility. The resulting feasibility study will be used as a starting point for NCPA's potential future plans of transitioning away from carbon-emitting generation resources. The Iowa Association of Municipal Utilities worked with VEIC, stakeholders, and industry partners to develop a tool to help utilities understand market trends for the transportation sector, which will undergo a dramatic transformation in the years to come. This tool, adapted in collaboration with APPA into the Charging Forward EV Toolkit, offers users tips on educating customers on EVs, public power EV case studies, a market trend calculator for EV adoption across the U.S., and more. CDE Lightband in Clarksville, Tennessee, incorporated National Renewable Energy Laboratory's System Advisor model and multiple methods for technology adoption forecasting to predict solar array adoption rates for public power utilities and to estimate the effects of anticipated solar array adoption on rates and system loads. Belmont Municipal Light Department in Massachusetts and Ventana Systems modeled and investigated detailed, complex questions about how Belmont Light's particular decisions on program offerings, power supply mix, rate structures, and more will interact to shape both the community's path toward net zero emissions and the utility's financial stability. Holyoke Gas and Electric in Massachusetts installed 3 residential-sized battery storage systems with a combined total capacity of 18 kilowatts, 63.36 kilowatt-hours of energy storage. The battery systems are regularly dispatched onto the grid during peak demand events, achieving peak demand cost savings. One of the three systems has been successfully integrated at an experimental, self-sustainable data server shed, which combines the battery storage system with an on-site 6 kilowatt DC solar system. Congratulations again to the teams who produced exciting new research in 2021. We also recognize the following utilities who received new funding awards in 2021 through DEED's competitive grant application process and will produce the outcome of these R&D projects in the coming year. Municipal Energy Agency of Nebraska. 2 projects from Massachusetts Municipal Wholesale Electric Company. SMUD, California. Stowe Electric Department, Vermont. New York Power Authority. New Holstein Utilities, Wisconsin. Westerville Electric Division, Ohio. Alabama Municipal Electric Authority. Northern Wasco County Peoples Utility District, Oregon. WPPI Energy, Wisconsin. Douglas County Public Utility District, Washington. Burlington Electric Department, Vermont. And CPS Energy, Texas. Congratulations again to all those utilities who have completed and are now starting DEED-funded projects.